Hey, this is Moots here at Trask. I got a new product to introduce to you. We have our Billet Docking Kit for the backrest and tour pack. Works just like a stock Harley docking kit, except it mounts to our billet rear section, which saves weight and is way more cooler. It's a TM3300. Part number on this is a TM3350. It's available through Trask Performance right now direct, and will be in the drag catalog shortly. So we're going to go through and install this thing. I'm going to briefly tell you what I'm going to be doing for the easiest installation. I'm going to remove the shocks. I got a jack under the bike. I'm going to jack the bike up so that the swing arm will drop down. I'm going to unbolt the fender from the 4 points of 4 fastening points and let the fender drop, and then this will simply not clip, but it fits into the billet strut and gets bolted on from the back side. So we're going to go through that procedure, and if there's any highlights, I'll point them out at that time. Okay, so this is the new shock fastener nut. We machined some material off it. You can see that it's about half as thin on this one as it is on this one. This allows more room for the docking, for the attachment, tour pack or backrest to fit into the mounting point. So I'll go ahead and swap these out. So this particular bike happens to be Cerakoted tungsten, so being as friendly with the coating as I can be, and it's actually pretty durable. You see, I did not do anything to the coating; it's still completely intact. This is a new one. I'm gonna screw this on there. Got to put a little drop of Loctite on there. Put that on there. That one wasn't nearly as ferocious. Thread a new nut with the thinner head on it. Go ahead and lock this down. Be careful to keep the wrench nice and square to the nut, because that head is pretty thin. You don't want to slip off that thing. Okay, that's tight. I'm going to jack the bike up, let the swing arm dangle down, and go ahead and remove the 4 fasteners that drop the fender. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the other side. The nuts are actually built into the fender, so it's just 2 fasteners on the outside, and the fender will drop. I'm going to pull 1 off on each side. I may grab another set of hands because it's a painted part, and we want to respect our customer's bike, so we'll be very delicate with these painted parts so we don't do any damage. And go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, at this point, the fender's just totally floating in here. I got just the 2 rear fasteners on it. I'm gonna get the seat out of the way. I'm gonna grab another set of hands to support this fender, remove these 2 fasteners, and just carefully drop the fender down while I put the docking kit on the bike. So we got a docking kit here. It's all billet. The designer's got creative, so these recesses, or these protrusions, fit into the pocket on the billet rear section. Just fits in there like that. We've got a receiver that's threaded, both labeled right and left. That'll go on there like that, and made up to that, like that. We got a fasteners, and we'll put a little bit of Loctite on there. Screw that into the receiver. That's just hand snug right there. See, there's very, very little movement there. I'm going to go ahead and push it rearward because whoever's leaning on it or whatever weight's in that tour pack is going to push it that way anyway. We do that for leave room for coating or what have you. But okay, we have our docking kit back on. We're going to go ahead and reassemble, put the fender back in place, lock that down, get the lower fender support bolts back in place with these reservoirs, put the shocks back on, and we'll test fit it with a tour pack and a independent backrest. Position. Okay, so we're at a point here. I've got the top of the shocks bolted back on, the docking kit installed, rear fender mounted to the struts. I've attached the rear lower support fender mount to the bag rails with the shock reservoirs. I'm going to go ahead and lower the bike, align up the rear shock mounts, screw those in place, and this thing's back together. We'll lower the bike down, we'll mock up the backrest, the independent backrest, and then we'll also mock up a tour pack. So you can see how it fits on there. We've actually made these things, they're much more rigid and uniform, where these components actually mount easier on our docking kit than it does on a Harley docking kit, or the OEM docking kit. So, we'll be there in a minute. Get started in there by hand, nice and neutral. Get the other one started. We're back to square one, bike is all together. I'm gonna leave the bags off. I'll grab a backrest, mount that on there, show you how it clips in, then we'll grab a tour pack and do the same thing. And Bob's your uncle. Okay, so this is a stock OEM backrest assembly. Fits into the docking kit on the standard Harleys and our new billet docking kit associated with our TM3300 billet rear section. I do want to point out that this is basically a piece of tubing that is pre-bent with these tabs welded on there. So I'm sure it's fixtured, but is by no means 100% perfect and or repeatable. So that being said, you may have to flex this in or out a little bit as you push these down. This one I'm going to flex out along with this one and get it to lock down in place. Whoops, there. That's what I wanted to do. There, once that's like that, go ahead and push down and rotate these things. That's it. She's locked in, doesn't move, very secure. Pop it off, reverse the operation, comes right off. Okay, so we got a stock Harley tour pack with their docking mount. It's gonna fit into our docking kit. Slide it forward, bring it down, adjust your receivers, and it just snaps right into place. I'm well aware that this tour pack does not match the bike, but it is a standard OEM tour pack and mounting brackets. Snapped in like butter. Release the clips, rotate it forward, lift it straight up and back, and it's off. I prefer to do this with two persons just because of the quality of our paint and also respect for our customer's bike.